Hello. So for this project, our client required us to get data from Auvik and Connectwise into Grafana and plot some graphs using that data. So first, I had to write a Python code to get data from Auvik and Connectwise. Now, after getting this data, I had to ingest it into a Postgres database. So as you can see, I had set up this database, and the database is now online. So in this Python file further, we connect to that database and insert all that data into that Postgres database. This is how it looks like after it is inserted. So this is the Unix time in minutes, and the availability, the uptime at that time was 100%. So once we have done that, we go to Grafana and we connect to this data source. So we go to the Postgres SQL plugin, and I have filled these details. Then we can click on save and test. As you can see, the database now connected. The next step is to go to visualization and write our query here. So we select these two columns from our Auvik data table, and this is how the graph looks like when it is plotted. So most of the time the availability is 100%, and sometimes it is 0% since someone else were using it. Okay, thank you.